So students, let us start this practice set 50 here. So let us start here. The question is 5a plus 6b raised to 2, and here we are supposed to use the formula. Okay, as previously we have done here, and the verification. Okay, so here you will see here that 5a raised to 2 plus 2. Okay, so 5a raised to 2 plus 2 into bracket 5a into 6b plus 6b raised to 2, and 5a would be 25a raised to 2 plus 5a will be 25 and into 2. Okay, so 60ab will be here. Okay, and then you will see here that 6b into 6b plus 6b raised to 2 means 36b raised to 2. Okay, so here you observe that 5a and 6b, so 5 into 3 will be 30, and 30 is multiplied by 2 will be 60. So here you will see that 60ab is here. Okay, so like this you can do the question very easily. Now we'll move for the second question. A upon 2 plus b upon 3 raised to 2. So a upon 2 raised to 2 plus 2 into bracket a upon 2 into b upon 3 plus b upon 3 raised to 2. So here you will see that a raised to 2 upon 4 plus ab upon 3 plus b raised to 2 upon 9. Okay, like this. So in this exercise we are moving for the third question, and that is on your screen. 2p minus 3q raised to 2 means 2p raised to 2, and here we are supposed to multiply 2p into 3q, and that will be 2 into 3 will be 6, and 6 into 2 will be 12. Okay, and thereafter you see that 3q raised to 2 means 9q raised to 2. So here you will see the step 4p raised to 2 minus 12pq plus 9q raised to 2, like this. And the fourth question is here. X minus 2 upon into bracket x minus 2 upon x raised to 2. So here you see it will be x raised to 2 minus 2 into x into 2 upon x plus 2 upon x raised to 2, and that will be x raised to 2 minus 4 plus 4 upon x raised to 2. Okay, like this. So we can manage it very easily. Okay, now we'll move for the next question, question number 5 is on your screen, and that is ax plus by raised to 2, and you will see that ax raised to 2 plus 2 ax into by plus by raised to 2. Okay, so here is a raised to 2, x raised to 2 plus 2ab, and xy plus b raised to 2 and y raised to 2. Okay, like this. Now the sixth question is here. 7m minus 4 raised to 2. So here you will see that 7m raised to 2 minus 2 into 7m into 4 plus 4 raised to 2, and here you will see that 4 into 7, that will be 28, right? And 28 multiplied by 2 will be 56. Okay, and here you will see that 7m raised to 2 means 49, m raised to 2 minus 56 plus 16 means 4 raised to 2 will be 16 here. Okay, like this. So you can do it very easily. Now the next question number 7 is here. X plus 1 upon 2 raised to 2. Okay, so x raised to 2 plus 2 into bracket x into 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 raised to 2. Okay, so here you will see that x raised to 2 plus x plus 1 upon 4. Okay, like this. And the eighth question, a minus 1 upon a raised to 2 means a raised to 2 minus a into bracket a 2 into bracket a into 1 upon a plus 1 upon a raised to 2. Okay, so here you see that a raised to 2 minus 2 plus 1 upon a raised to 2. Okay, like this. And we will move for the next question here. Question number 2. Which of the options given below is the square of the binomial 8 minus 1 upon x? Okay, so here is the option 64 minus 1 upon x square, 64 plus 1 upon x square, 64 minus 16 upon x plus 1 upon x square, and 64 plus 16 upon x plus 1 upon x square. Okay, like this. Now you can see here the answer. X8 minus 1 upon x raised to 2 is equal to 8 square minus 2 into bracket a into 1 upon x plus 1 upon x raised to 2, and here you will see that will be 64 minus 16 upon x plus 1 upon x raised to 2. So here you will see the option number 3 is the correct answer. Okay, so the correct option is option number 3. Okay, like this. Now we'll move for the next question. Of which of the binomial given below is m raised to 2 n raised to 2 plus 14 mn p q plus 49 p raised to 2 q raised to 2 the expansion? So here are the option: m plus n, p plus q. Okay, and the second mn minus pq raised to 2, and the third one is 7mn plus pq raised to 2, and fourth one is mn plus 7pq raised to 2. Okay, so here you will see that m raised to 2 and n raised to 2. Okay, there is no sign between there. So m raised to 2 and raised to 2 plus 14 mn pq plus 49 p raised to 2 q raised to 2 and m raised to 2 n raised to 2 plus mn 7 mn pq plus 7 mn pq plus 49 p raised to 2 q raised to 2. Okay, so here you see that mn into bracket mn plus 7pq plus 7pq into bracket mn plus 7pq, and you see that mn plus 7pq in the second bracket mn plus 7pq, and that will be in the second step you see that mn plus pq raised to 2. Okay, so the correct alternative is number 4 here. Okay, this one will be the correct alternative here. Okay, like this. So in this in this fourth question, use expansion formula to find the values. यहाँ पर तौसी के ज़ाब्तों की मदद से कीमत मालूम करना है. ठीक है, तो here's question 997 square. So what suppose we have to do here? We have to see here that 997 is equal to 1000 minus 3. Okay, so you will see here that 997 square is equal to 1000 minus 3 square. So you will see here, after putting into the formula, we see that 1000 square minus 2 into bracket 1000 into 3. So 1000 into 3 will be 3000, and here is 3 raised to 2 means 9. Okay, so 3000 into 2 will be 6000, and 1000 square will be 10 lakhs. Okay, so you will see here that 10 lakhs minus 6000 plus 9, and that would be, so 9 lakhs 94,000 and 9 here. So you see here that the answer is 997 raised to 2 is equal to 9 lakhs 94,000 and 9. Okay, like this. And the second question, you are observing the question 102 raised to 2, and here is the solution for it, that 102 is equal to 100 plus 2, and 102 raised to 2 is equal to 100 plus 2 raised to 2, and 100 raised to 2 plus 2 into 100 into 2 plus 2 raised to 2. So 2 raised to 2 will be 4, and this one you will see that the 100 square is equal to 10,000, and 2 into 100 will be 200, 200 into 2 will be 400. Okay, and 2 raised to 2 will be 4. So 10,000 plus 400 plus 4 will be 10,404. So answer is 102 raised to 2 is equal to 10,404. Okay, And in the third question, 97 raised to 2. So 97 is equal to 100 minus 3, and that is 97 raised to 2 is equal to 100 minus 3 raised to 2. And you see here that 100 raised to 2 minus 2 into 100 into 3 plus 3 raised to 2, and 100 raised to 2 means 10,000, and 200 into 2 will be 200, 200 into 2 will, into 3 will be 600, and 3 raised to 2 will be 9. So 10,000 minus 600 plus 9 will be 9,409. So 97 raised to 2 is equal to 9,409. Okay, like this. And in the fourth and the last question of this exercise, 1005 raised to 2. So 1005 is equal to 1000 plus 5. Okay, so 1005 raised to 2 is equal to 1000 plus 5 raised to 2. Okay, so 1000 raised to 2 minus 2 into 100 into 1000 into 5 plus 5 raised to 2. So 1000 raised to 2 is equal to 10 lakhs. Okay, plus 2 into 1000 is equal to 2000, and 2000 into 5 will be 10,000. Okay, and 5 raised to 2 will be 25. So you will see here 10 lakhs, 10,000 and 25. So 1005 raised to 2 is equal to 10 lakhs, 10,000 and 25. Okay, like this. तो बच्चों उम्मीद करते हैं कि आज के सेशन में हमने जो कुछ भी आपको समझाया है, और ख़ास तौर पर जो प्रैक्टिस सेट 50 हमने यहाँ सॉल्व किया है, इसे आपने ज़रूर से समझा होगा. ठीक है, तो जो एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म ऑफ द स्क्वायर ऑफ अ बायनोमियल है, ये आपने समझा होगा यहाँ पर. ठीक है,
तो बच्चों इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, और इस तरह के मज़ीद वीडियो मिलेंगे आपको. तो इसके लिए आपको नीचे जो बेल आइकॉन है उसको दबाना है.
तो उम्मीद करते हैं सेशन के बाद आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे और अपने तौर पर ये तमाम सवालात को हल करने की कोशिश करेंगे. ठीक है, कोशिश कीजिए. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.